right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Let me just get the Zoom all fired up here. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Let me just post this into Discord. Let me just fire these lights up. Okay, cool. What's going on, YouTube fam? How are we all? How is everyone doing? Happy Wednesday. How's everyone's week been so far? You guys making these bank on these big gold drops? Some big gold drops. Hope you guys are taking advantage of this amazing volume we're getting recently. Apologies, there was no stream yesterday. As I took over 100 ticks in the Asian session, so I decided just to enjoy the London session and go out with my girlfriend and spend the evening having dinner out and getting some froyo. Hopefully you guys had a good Tuesday. Let me just get all the Zoom guys in here. Alright, awesome. Cool. Alright, the Zoom guys are joining. Good morning, it's echoing. Oh, really? What's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. There's an echo. Give me 2 seconds. Let me try and fix that. What's going on, Zoom guys? Good morning. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Let me just try and fix this audio. It doesn't seem to be echoing for me. I'm not saying you're lying. Is it echoey for everyone else? No echo on Zoom? Cool, man, cool. Well, we'll see. You guys on YouTube, let me know. No, cool. Morning, Alan. Hey, Mochi. What's going on, guys? Welcome back, everyone. You guys on Zoom, it'll say it's paused for 2 seconds. I'm just firing up the YouTube and then we'll start to break it all down. See what we got for the day. Wait till everyone joins in here. Let's have a look in. No echo. Cool. Thank you. Let's have a quick look at the news. See what we got today. It's been a fundamentally very quiet week on gold so far. However, there has still been some absolutely amazing moves. We had a US bank holiday on Monday. We had no news on Tuesday. And then today, coming into Wednesday, we have core CPI. Core CPI today on gold, which is going to be very interesting because gold is coming into some very big levels. Volume's a little low. I can turn it up, man. I can turn it up. Let me just share this screen and see if we get it working here. Why is trading view not working? Good day, first day in FWA. Welcome, Mark. Back from a honeymoon. Nice. Hope you had a good trip. Welcome in as well, Mark. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I don't know why my screen has gone funny. The YouTube chat is working, but the trading view is not. Sorry guys, give me 2 seconds. Why is the trading view not working? Okay. That seemed to do it. Let me make this full screen. Let me just make sure this is still working. Yep, cool. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's have a look, see what we got for the day. Hey Matt, what's going on, man? Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Is everyone here? We've got about 15 people on 15 people on Zoom. Let's have a look at what we've seen on the week so far. You guys on YouTube, you guys on Zoom already know. You guys on YouTube, we spoke about this in the London session on Monday when price was trapped in these areas. We had liquidity above here and we had liquidity down here. You came down, grabbed the lows, came for the highs, and then had this huge 500 plus tick sell-off on gold. Let me just skip this forward. Yeah, 500 tick sell-off on gold, which was absolutely insane. Is my screen on screen is stuck? Yeah, what the hell? Sorry guys, 2 seconds. Why is my OBS being stupid today? I think for some reason when I make it full screen it messes up. I don't know why, because I always have it in full screen. Sorry guys, give me 2 seconds. Alright, that's working. It's a good thing I'm waiting for gold to move. I don't know why OBS is being weird on my computer recently. Alright, let me see. That seems to be moving. Is that still moving now? Yeah? I made that full screen. Afternoon lads. Hey Nate, what's going on? Sean. Let me just move this across, make sure this is working. Yep, cool. Alright, seems to be working. Don't know why OBS is being funny today. But yeah, we saw on Monday, price came up, grabbed these highs. Huge sell-off. Absolutely amazing. I unfortunately didn't get any of that. Came in the US session, but I did absolutely get this beautiful sell-off. Same thing again. Came up, grabbed the highs. Another huge sell-off. That was in the Asian session. Yesterday, again, in the New York session. Came up, grabbed the highs. Huge sell-off. Look at what we've done every single time. This is why sometimes these continuation plays can be so simple on gold, especially when gold, you know, was ripping them all-time high regions. You know, waiting for it to form liquidity, grab lows and then push. Wait for it to form liquidity, grab highs and then push. Grabbing the highs, then push. Grabbing the highs, then push. Like, these are beautiful setups. This one happened in New York. So this one happened in London on Monday. This one happened in Asia on Tuesday. And this one happened in New York on Tuesday as well. So every single session, we've had these beautiful liquidity grabs and just enormous 180 tick sell-off, like absolutely huge. So you've had some amazing moves in the market so far. Let me just clean these levels up. Let's go back to some fresh, clean analysis. We were looking for gold to come up today, grab these highs, find resistance, and get the same thing again. I haven't taken a single trade yet today. You see we came up, grabbed the highs, so I didn't want to trade anywhere in here and try and short against this. But we are now coming into some pretty interesting levels on gold. We can see here on the daily, this could be one big massive top wick holding this support to flip bearish and start coming lower. So we're at a very strong level of resistance right now on gold. The 4-hour time frame, you've come up, you've grabbed the highs, held resistance. So what would you expect next? You'd expect at least to come down, grab previous 4-hour lows, and probably come back down and retest at least, I'd say, about 2600. So we're looking good now. We've had this pretty decent push up. We had this pretty decent push up here in the Asian session. Let me just check zoom. My screen should be working on YouTube now. Yeah, cool. I had this decent push up in the Asian session. You had no real bottom wick, but I didn't really want to buy this anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But you have now come up, close doji, close nice and bearish. So we have some beautiful 4-hour lows here to come and grab. We also have some hourly highs here to grab. So we're trapped in between these two levels. And what we're pretty much looking for here in the London session, come up, grab the highs, and then see if we get these pretty nice shorts. And anywhere above here, for price to come back down into these lows, you know, still about an 80 tick plus push, which is fantastic. So these are our liquidity levels. So now let's drop down to low time frame and see what kind of entries we're getting. You can kind of see here, you've come up, you've re-grabbed 30-minute highs. So, sorry guys, could this be enough that we now just can start to push down from here? Yeah, it's looking possible actually. It's looking possible. I do like that grab on that 30-minute. It's a pretty decent 15-minute grab. If this current 15 can flip bearish, well, you've got about 40 ticks. Yeah, that's definitely an option. Let me just fire up. Let me fire up top step here just in case we're going to get that. If this current 15 can, now that you came up, you've grabbed the highs, you closed nice and bearish. If this can re-break the low, and we could have a sell stop, we could push down. If you can't re-break the low and you keep pushing up, that's fine. We'll wait for price to get into here. But if this current 15 can flip bearish in 8 minutes, yeah, we could be looking for some shorts. Let You could be looking for some shorts today in London. I like the fact that Asia hasn't really done too much today, so it means we can actually trade London properly. You know, when we saw Asia have such a huge push down yesterday, I was like, well, there's no point trading London. We managed to take that big short here in Discord down into these lows. And once that happened, you know, London kind of chopped around a bit. It did kind of keep creeping down, but look how corrective it was compared to this beautiful push. So you look about 6 a.m. London time until about, what, 11 a.m. You pushed down, you did push back up, and it kind of chopped quite a lot. So, yeah, I know, that's it, man. Yeah, that's why it's good today to see that Asia hasn't really done too much other than pushing up. So now we can see if we can get these trades in London. We may have a sell stop on the break at this 15 low here soon, guys. We'll be risking about 19 ticks, seeing if you can drive this down for about 40 to 50. 2600 is a decent level. Who knows? Could this daily just keep rolling over and you come down even more? Yeah, it's very possible. That's why shorting gold today is smart. The daily is overall bearish. I would manage risk because this is going to be a huge level. This is going to be look how strong this area is. It's going to be a huge area. But if we can break this, I wouldn't be too surprised just to see gold continue selling off. I really wouldn't be too surprised. And maybe with CPI, you know, you could see more of a deeper pullback. But for the London session, you know, if we just take a quick look at this daily again, remember, we've had a strong push down. We're currently coming up to retest the big level. We could at least come down and re-grab yesterday's low. So being on the sell side of gold makes the most sense. I don't have a sell stop in here just yet, guys. I'll tell you guys when I do have a sell stop in, but I'm looking for price to re-break this low, tap into this region, and come down a lot lower. If this 15 can't flip bearish, then the 30 will be closing bullish, and we may come up and grab some highs a little bit more, which is fine. We can react to that as well. So yeah, that's pretty much the analysis for the day. Very simple analysis, some very simple price action. Price action alone on gold has been amazing. You know, I took a 100 tick trade yesterday, 2 contracts, close to about $2,000 US trade, like close to about $3,000 Australian dollar trade, and it was probably one of the best holds I've had in a while. Holding a 100 tick trade with 2 contracts, you know, it's a pretty decent trade. Yeah, we're going to push up a little bit more here. And it was very simple as well. I'm also just executed it, set my alerts and walked away, and it paid. If I had watched it, I would have seen the profits or seen the support and closed out, or seen this and closed out. But I was like, nah, I've got my levels. I trust my levels. I trust that the daily is going to come down and grab the lows, and I held the trade, and it paid. It was about just over a 100 tick trade. It was very, very simple as well. Very, very simple. Same as this push down that we saw here on gold. Look at it. Come up, grab the highs, huge sell off. Come up, grab the highs, huge sell off. Come up, grab the highs, huge sell off. So,
did you watch it long enough to at least go break it even?
Yeah, I did, man. Yeah, I did. It's a good question. So I like to have at least 2 alerts set. So say when I got in, I think I got in maybe somewhere around, what was it? I got on a 30. I always have was it 30? Or was it the hourly? Maybe I got off the hourly. I think it was off the hourly once this closed around here. So my alert to go break even was around here. Around, so I had 2 alerts. I had alert here. Then I also had an alert down at the lows. And I have this alert to try and manage risk as soon as we tap into this level. So as soon as we tap into here, I was like, yeah, cool. Risk off the table. Get rid of that one. As soon as that one goes off, and then boom, I won't watch it till it then comes back down to there. Yeah, it's a good question, man. I always do like to have at least 2 alerts set at a time.
Okay. Cheers.
Yeah, of course, man. Yeah, it's a even having 3 alerts. Like have an alert at your TP area, your area where you'll manage risk, and an area where you also want to get out of the trade. You know, if your alerts aren't going off, then great, you don't need to watch anything. And either your alert is going to say stop loss, or your alert is going to say break even or TP. But yeah, even when I end the London streams, I always set at least 2 alerts. I have to, although when we're not on stream, I trade, 30-minute, etc. I still always have alerts set. I'm not sat here for 5, 7, 8 hours a day. I'm setting my alerts and I'm letting price come to me. Good morning from Greece, Aaron, and everyone. Good morning, man. Grand Rising and traders. What's up, man? 15 minutes can close quite strong here on gold. So what was our hourly analysis was to potentially come up and re-grab this high. So that'll be the next level we could potentially tap into. I'll do a full recap on this big short here yesterday as well. I'll do a recap of that. Good morning, man. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Only 26 likes. I know you tell them, man. Get them likes up. Get them likes up. Can you pin message on Zoom? Nah. If any of you guys on Zoom wonder why it pauses the screen share, it's only when I click off the trading view screen. I don't know why for some reason, because I think I maybe have it full screen that Zoom pauses it. But if it does pause, I'm still here. Don't worry, I'm still watching. I'm just checking up on everything else. Did anyone trade Asia today? I didn't really watch too much of Asia today, given you had such a big move up. You know, once I had this big move up, then I just set my alert back around here. My alert didn't go off, fine. I go about my business because I'm not really interested in longs, so I was only interested in sells. Jim, yeah, good man. How do you call it? 15 during Asia? Yeah, 15 is good, man. 15 Asia's good, man. It's good. I did see this nice. As soon as I saw this candle close, I was getting ready to potentially short this one. And the reason I didn't really like shorting this one is because you're coming into such a, it's such a tough big area. I was like, I don't know. I don't really like the way this was a huge push up. I didn't really want to short against this. This was a huge push. The only thing is, and that's the thing with where gold is right now. Although I do believe, this can flip bearish and come down and grab some lows, we have to remember we're at a major support level. Like, this is huge resistance, huge support. Like, could this just be a liquidity grab with these lows to then start to have a pullback? Like, if we look at gold from just an overall neutral perspective here from a second, sure. What can we kind of see forming? So would it be too crazy over the next couple of days to start to see gold pull back into these areas before continuing to sell off? Not really. I don't think it'd be too crazy. I do think though, if we are going to see, pull back into this head and shoulders, there'd be a high chance that you'd probably see today come down, grab the lows and maybe close doji, and then you could buy the next day. I think that would make more sense. I do think that would make more sense. Yeah, big support, yeah. Trend line below, yeah. Is there a higher time frame one? Did you have a... No, I think you've broken out of these major ones. Or did you mean like one coming up here? How did that 30 minute just close on gold? 30 minute just closed very doji. Not too bad though. The thing is, and I'm looking at these highs, but 30 minute you came up, you grabbed these highs, you held resistance, you got 1, 2, 3 equal lows. I still think it's in a pretty decent area to take a stab at some shorts soon. 100 likes, come on, easy man, easy. Pump them up. 129 people in there, we can get 100 likes easy. Let's pump them up. Let me get, where's the top step link? Top step link's pinned if anyone wants to check out Top Step. I'll be trading on my top set today. Got 20 bit buy. Nice. So coming back up here on gold. Yeah, that's very true. More likes equals more volume. We experienced that firsthand last Monday when we took 50 ticks on stream. That's a very, very good point. A very good point. A very, very good point, man. We don't make the rules either. We don't make the rules.
I thought you did.
There he is. What's going on, man?
Morning. Afternoon.
100 likes gonna pump or dump gold? Yeah, 100 likes and gold should have a pretty aggressive sell-off that we will absolutely all be in. I do like something like this. It's 15 to flip bearish. You can risk off this high because if you re-break this high, you'll probably come much higher. And seeing if we can get this break-even point. Ideal target. Let me see. 30-minute, just grab the highs. Hourly, kind of tough. Maybe we could just look for a flip of the hourly. What candle, whereabouts is that low? Flip of the hourly. That is, yeah, pretty much around where we are. Let's see. No, I think this makes sense. Trying to digest it a little bit here. This is a kind of got some liquidity forming up here. If you come up, grab these highs, great. I'll look for the sell-off. So we've got two decent liquidity levels now, and above, you know, above here to down there, it's a 41 tick move. That's a very, very nice trade. Again, like I say, I'm not interested in any buys today. If we do start closing aggressively bullish, that's fine. I'm not too interested in that. Yeah, ticks is just the futures word of pips, man. Exactly the same thing. Down trade on gold on the 30. If that is a trend line, absolutely not. Trend line come down, grab the highs. You may revisit these. That's the thing. That's why I think with CPI today, it makes sense for gold to soon have a decent pullback into 2650. I just don't think it's going to happen right now. I think overall that does make sense. I just don't think it's going to happen right now. Let's see this 5-minute close here. 1 minute. Yeah, 100 likes and gold will drop. Sorry, man.
Sorry, but do not get There's a decent trend line on the 15 as well, coming from the bottom, where your lower liquidity is.
Like.
Yeah. Across the way.
Yeah, like that. Ooh, all the way. Yeah, I like that. Could give us a bounce to come up, grab some highs, then we could be looking to short into this trend line. I like that, man.
Yeah, I'm watching the 1 minute.
All right, 1 minute it is.
It's quite popular in 1 minute.
Yeah, CPI later today as well. Yeah, absolutely. We've got about 55% people long here on top step, 45% people short. You know, we are around that VWAP area as well. Currently sitting around 26.13 on the futures. 5 minute grab the lows, close bullish. Squeeze up a little bit higher, Goldie. One minute is when my trading career started. I wish it never happened. Yeah, same as me, man. Same as me.
You guys say info to it.
Where many careers ended. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. That's why I think. I mean, the thing is, you can actually trade the 1 minute very well. I think it's obviously so much smarter to like get comfortable trading the hourly, then get comfortable trading the 30, and then 5 and 15, and then if you really want to get good, or really want the quick fast scalps, 1 minute eventually. It's just I mean, the people who I say that I see trade the 1 minute the best are the people who like scalp Nasdaq during the New York session. I haven't found too many people who do trade the 1 minute on like something like gold during London or Asia. Well, I'm sure the moves are there. You know, it is the same thing. Hourly starting to flip bearish here. 30 minutes starting to flip bearish. 15 starting to flip bearish. Let's see this 5-minute close here. I want to see some volume. If we get a bearish 5-minute close here, we could be in for some shorts. Everything's starting to flip bearish. Yeah, trading breakouts on that. Yeah, because you get the breakouts and you get the huge pushes. If we get this bearish close here on gold, you know, I will just risk off here. Because if you break this high, you're going to come up much higher anyway. So that'd be more of enough of a risk. And we'll be managing risk down here and seeing if we can get this squeezed lower. I want to see this 5-minute. More so just close with volume. Close with volume, maybe even just a little breakout of that. It's a pretty strong level there. You get quite a lot of fake outs of that as well though. There we go. Gold move up first and then US session down. Yeah, possible, man. Possible. Very possible. I mean, the thing is, you've already had a pretty decent push up in Asia. You've had a really big push up here in Asia. Like Asia's, you know, if Asia has the big push up, you expect London to potentially pull back a little bit. But yeah, CPI day today, so who knows? We'll see. We'll react. I'm open to any. I won't be taking any longs there, but I am open to. You know, if we do pull back, it wouldn't surprise me too much. It just won't really be my trade. Especially looking at this 4-hour, you know. 4-hour came up, grabbed the highs, held resistance. You know, to at least just come down and retest 2600, like I really don't think that's too far of a stretch. And you can see here, you got 1, 2, 3 equal lows here as well, before seeing that push up. You know, having a bottom wick into here before then having a decent pullback, grab liquidity from here and here. I think that's what would make the most sense. So if we can short into that 4-hour needing a bottom wick into here and down into here, we secure profits down here, and then, you know, maybe you can consider longs later on. Sure. It's pretty interesting levels. 5-minute close in 1 minute. You know, I don't think you're going to get a short today that's going to be, you know, a 100+ tick move that's going to come all the way back down to the daily lows just that easy, like we saw on Tuesday and Monday. But still, you could still, I reckon, you know, a 30-40 tick pullback from around this region before potentially pushing higher wouldn't be too crazy. You know, if you had a strong push up, even if we just pull back some of this before maybe having another leg back up into here. I can see it from both sides at the minute. Let's see a 5-minute close, 20 seconds. You guys on YouTube, 140 people in here, 50 likes, drop a little like for the stream. Let's see if we can push 100 today.
That's a lot.
200 on Monday. I'm famous now, you know, man. Pretty big deal. Let's see if we get could we flip sells on the break of this 5-minute low and have a very tight stop? What would the stops be? About 12. See if you get about 30. I'm not in any I'm not in this, guys. I'm not in this. Not in this just yet. I mean, you did break this level, but it's like I mean, it depends if you have drawn here or drawn here. You didn't really break it, let's be honest. It's a pretty decent grab at the previous low. You couldn't close below this low. But if we can get a steep top wick and take a sell on the break of the low, if it doesn't flip bearish, well, that's fine. Only because this 15, these are some pretty fat 15-minute wicks to highs. And you can get a pretty tight stop loss as well.
It's pretty choppy in there at the moment too.
Yeah, it's pretty choppy, man. Not a whole heap of volume.
Nah, just sideways.
What's this flip given? Let's see, what this flip give you? 3 minutes till there's 15 close. I'm not in this, guys. This flip I was looking at. You have to manage as soon as you come down and grab these lows anyway. So look at this, strong reactions. How much volume is this? 6 ticks. But yeah, it's some pretty look, you're at that big 15 resistance, which is being held pretty well. Let's see if this 15 closes bearish top wick of the next 15. I will look for the sells. Let's see this 15 close. The past 15 has gone bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So see if we can actually get closures with volume. I think it's a pretty decent level to be short at though. I don't want to be buying this level, that's for sure.
Yeah, I'd rather sell.
Yeah, about 20, back down to about 2600, or at least back down to here would be pretty nice.
50 is like again, it looks like an evening stuff or morning stuff.
Yeah, definitely, man. I agree. I agree, man. I agree.
Trying to reject that level and VWAP.
Yeah, it's trying to. It's holding it pretty well for now. I want to see this. I want to see this 15 close. Hello, Aaron. How you doing? I'm good, thank you, man. I'm good. Welcome back. Good morning, good people. Good morning, man. Good morning. I mean, if the 15 closes like this, still pretty good. Top wick on the next 15, and then see if we get this flip back down. I want to see the 15 actually close with volume though. I don't want to see no stalling. I want to see it actually push. Give us that push, Goldie. Let me have a look at this 5 minute as a 5 minute. Yeah, bit of a range. Go on, 1 minute. Let's see. Good morning from India. Good morning, man. Good morning. I think even just yeah, I mean just you know, look at this on a 30 minute. Just to come back into this level, you know, it would make a lot of sense. It would make a lot of sense. 30 minutes came up, grabbed highs. You've got a lot of equal lows here. Let's see if we get this 15 close to short. It's not looking the best. Let's see, 9 seconds, anything can happen. Give us the volume, gold. Give us the volume. 2 seconds. We're going to get top wick. Let's see. So could we take sells on the flip of this? Risk off that high. Let me see here if we're going to get seen on time. I don't even have fucking ninja up. But give me 2 seconds, guys. I don't even have ninja up. That's good. Because you're holding that resistance very, very well. Let me see. Let's see if I can get this in. I'm not in here just yet, guys. Let me fire up Ninja. What would the stops be? I'd probably risk off no more than that high. That's about 20. It's quite a big stop. I mean, it's not. Like, 20 ticks is nothing, but it's more so, it's quite a big stop for how little volume there is now. Let me hold off. Let me see a 5 minute. If you're on the flip and you want to just manage, you know, you can manage pretty soon. As soon as you come down like into these areas, you could even have like stop like that. I'm not in this, guys. Not on my ninja anyway. Not on my ninja. Why are we stalling so much? Are we coming into some pretty big support as well? Yeah, we are. Look. Have a look at this. Also, I'm like, why are we stalling so much? I mean, you're coming into a pretty, look, it's a big support, broken, resistance, resistance, broke above, support, support, broke, resistance. Kind of all pretty big level. You're coming back high here now on gold. Closure below 2604. Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. I think it'd be the nicest. You know, I think if that 15 was going to drive it, you know, it would have driven already. If you're gonna have that nice push, you wouldn't be stalling so much. That's why I'm like, I keep looking, I'm like, why are we stalling so much? It's because you're at that pretty big 30-minute support. What to know? I use XNES. I have no idea what that means, man. I'm not too sure what you mean, man. Sorry. Ninja Trader, man. Ninja Trader for personal. I use Ninja Trader for personal, Top Step X for funding. She just came down. Sorry?
Blueberries with Ninja.
Nah, Blueberry is a more swing trader, man.
Oh.
Using the ninjas for the futures. Blueberries. Blueberries is for the more of the higher time frame swinger plays. I don't think there is one, to be honest, man. I don't believe there is one. Yeah, sell on the break of the 15. Yeah, it's not bad, man. Now you're getting that top wick. If it does reflip bearish, yeah, I think that's a pretty decent idea. Now that you've got the bottom wick and the top wick, if you can re-break the low, if it doesn't flip bearish, you can just cancel the stop. I think that's a good idea, man. I like that. How long we got? 11 minutes to this hourly. That's why it's good. Sometimes, you know, when you get the bottom wicks first and then get the top wick, it's quite nice because then you can put in the sell stop here pretty comfortably. Because now if it doesn't reflip bearish, it will just keep pushing up. So you're pretty safe. And if it closes push, then you can just delete it. Yeah, I agree. I feel like, yeah, I agree. That's the thing. I mean, these are some pretty huge wicks to these highs. Like, these are some, you know, we're clearly finding some very, very big resistance here. Which does make sense, you know, look at these huge wicks. But then we also look, and it's like, well, yeah, it does make sense to also find some support. Like, look at these huge wicks as well. Kind of got to see it from both sides. Yeah, we're getting really nice rejections to the highs. But we're also coming into some pretty decent previous resistance support. So we're kind of got a little battle going in between these two little levels. And once, yeah, well, I agree. Once we do break it, we should be in for a good push. XNES is a funding firm? Let me see. Oh, sure. How's that 5 minute looking? Grab the lows, close bullish, grab the highs. We got time here, we got time. Patience will pay today, absolutely, man, absolutely. I do like the fact that, you know, you're rejecting here. Anyone who's buying here, where's their stop's going to be down there? But you kind of also do have the same high as anyone who's selling here, where's their stops above here. Kind of very similar to what we saw on Monday, where we're kind of stuck in between two. If we can come up and grab these highs, then that'd be great because, you know, we're favoring shorts today. So if we come up and grab the highs first, then great, we can look for this to short and have a really nice push. I'll be back in 5 minutes, guys. Give me 5 minutes. BRB. What are all these dots down here? Oh no. Let's have a look at, I don't know why that took us so long. Let's have a look at copper. What's copper been up to today? What day is it? Wednesday. Yeah, nicer than gold. This we spoke about in the copper market call this morning to come up, grab these highs, get back below, and then have the push down. Took quite some time. Yeah, this really strong push up, exactly the same as gold. Then he didn't end up coming up, holding resistance, grabbing some highs, nice break back below, and a decent sell off there on copper actually. I don't know how you would have got stops, but that's a pretty decent 30 tick push down there on copper. Not the cleanest though, I'm not gonna lie, it's not the cleanest. But it did do what we said. Come up, grab the highs, get back below, and then come for the lows. Kind of what we want to see gold to do, to be honest. Exactly the same as what we're wanting to happen on gold. Come up, grab the highs, hold resistance, and then boom, come down for the lows. We got Bitcoin smashing 90,000, which is absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
I don't get it.
Oh, look at that. TP'd at the right time. Look at that. I know, it's huge. Well, I got out that at a good level. I held this for about 65-ish. This was my TP area. Came into this resistance, and now you're already starting to dip back down 20+%. That was a good exit there. Did link find some resistance? Yeah, it was a beautiful breakout, man. Beautiful breakout. Yeah, finding some resistance. That's it. Probably crypto. Probably see altcoins go sideways for the next 2 years now. There's the pump everyone got excited about. Forgot I was holding BTC in small gains. Small gains is good, man. It's good to hold. At least you got something. I have no Bitcoin. Well, it's good you got something, man.
I'm still in from 13,000.
Yeah, that's insane. Holding from 13,000 is crazy.
Holding to mid.
It's crazy, man. Hold again, yeah, all the way to the moon. But no, it's it. People who are, holding these cryptos long term, don't be afraid to take profits. Especially if you're up a huge percent. I was up like, what? Close to 70% on this move. I'm absolutely locking that in and running. I'll rebuy back later on if I really want to. Yeah, last 5 minutes of the hourly, let's see. Hourly is now looking like we're probably going to come up and grab some highs in the next hour, I think. Time and hands. Hold on, I didn't know I had... Yeah, let it run, man. But yeah, looking at this market structure here on gold, yeah, I've had this big push down. We're almost like trying to come up, maybe market structure, grab these highs before, see that big dip lower. Did Nasdaq continue ripping all-time highs, or did you start to sell off a little bit?
It did take it out.
Took out all-time highs. Wow, what a push! What a push!
What was that?
You had any Nasdaq trades recently, Howard?
Yeah, I took a loss yesterday. Thanks for asking.
See, I didn't see that in Discord. I think you only show the wins.
I had to go and get my laptop back from the car park.
Good man. Good man. Yeah, crazy runs. Crazy runs. All-time highs on ES, all-time highs on Nasdaq. Where's all-time highs on Russell? Not quite. Oh, did you grab it? Nah. Yeah, some crazy pushes, man. Everything's fucking booming. Win rate went down to 99%. I know. Crazy. What are we up to here, gold? Last 5 of the hourly. See, this hourly's going to close in 3 minutes. Yeah, gold teaching us to be patient for sure, man. Patience pays, though. Patience pays. One good trade is all you need today. All we need, one good trade. As soon as we get a decent closure with some volume, you know, we can have that trade pretty easy. You're gonna have a trend line, little trend line coming down here now as well. Anyone selling here, stops above. So if we can see something like this, that would be a very, very nice. Very nice. Is that 15 about to flip bearish? Did you regram 15 highs? No. Look at that, you're really holding up that resistance there. 15 minutes is telling me to short. Uh, 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute one. You guys on Zoom still hear me?
Yeah.
What the hell? That was weird. I think I just got hacked. I think so. The market makers are out to get me. This is yeah, see, copper on the daily is doing what we want gold to do. Closing bearish, top wicking and re-flipping and re-breaking the lows. It's exactly what we want to see happen today on gold. We want this to be one big tick, top wick to reflect bearish and come down and grab the lows. So if copper's pushing down, could gold be coming to catch up soon? Maybe. Let's see. Kind of getting squeezed in this little, like kind of little triangle. Getting squeezed in here. So look, how did this Audi close? Audi just closed very doji again. To be honest, I want to see this top wick first. I want to see this top wick come and grab some highs, then I really want to look for these sells. I'll be looking for sells above the previous hour on gold. I'll be looking for shorts above here. I'm not going to sell it here. There's too low of volume. Past 2 hours I've closed with 5 ticks of volume, 3 ticks of volume. A little bit annoying. I really want to see a top wick first, grab some highs, so then we can short. If you just push down from here, you may be grabbing some lows and then coming for more of a top wick on the hourly. Yeah, instant bottom wick is not ideal. I want to see it pull up first. The 15's creating a pretty aggressive range here. Who's watching? There's a lot of fighting on this weekend. Got a huge UFC card this weekend. Then you do also have Jake Paul and Mike Tyson. I can't wait. I love Jake Paul, man. Jake Paul's like my idol. Yeah, I hope he does, man. I hope he does. Nah, I hope he does.
You just put his ear on.
Yeah, throw it back on. That was a furu thing to say. I just got exposed there, I think. Now, obviously, I hope Mike Tyson wins it, but it's gonna be a weird fight to watch. Like, I don't want to watch Mike Tyson fight and him just be really slow and old when he's like, what, almost 60?
Exactly.
It's kind of, I don't know, like, fuck, why you'd fight a 60-year-old, I have no idea. Can you please upload some education-related videos about your strategy? Will help us with our trading. There's literally, my channel's full of education videos, man. Channel's full of them, literally. Unless you've watched every single video on my channel, which I don't think you have, man, the channel is honestly filled with many of educational videos, man. Yeah, money, yeah, that's why, 100%, man. We'll make a fucking shit ton of money. I don't even know how much money. He does still look good. No, honestly, I thought you'll probably be able to tell after it, but it'll be absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, that's the thing. He's still looking good, but that's the thing. It is in very short clips. Like I cannot see him being able to go like 5-10 rounds. No way.
I would have thought so.
Send a message on your Instagram. Awesome, man. I'll check it after this. Any of you guys on YouTube want following the Instagram? Go drop me a little follow. Aaron Trades. Don't know, Rips from Top Step. Seems pretty legit. I don't know him personally, man, but I have watched his streams. Yeah, I like Rips. He's a good New York session trader, man. I like tuning into his streams sometimes when they're not too crazy late for me. I think he now starts at like 11 p.m. my time. He's a very good NASDAQ trader, man, yeah. And I think he also likes poker, which is cool. Maybe we need a Top Step poker session. Yeah, now we're talking. Playing poker with the big dogs.
You need more practice first.
Yeah, I definitely need more practice first. I played me, Chow, and Alex. We played went to the casino last week or on the weekend, I think. Yeah, on Saturday. Played some poker, but not on tables. It was playing poker against the dealer. Yeah, it was pretty hard. Not as fun. It kind of took out the whole psychological aspect of trading and bluffing and all that. You're literally just, it's not much different to blackjack. Like there's no, you can't call people's bluff and all that, so it kind of defeats the whole point. But it was still pretty fun though. Makes money and does live. Yeah, exactly, man. I mean, anyone who trades live is awesome. But yeah, I think Rips is cool. He absolutely crushes the Top Step accounts. When will I become a regular Top Step coach? I bet you'd kill it over there. Soon, man, soon. Hopefully we'll have something in the works to have something more regular for sure. It's just difficult at the minute, because being on actual Top Step TV is at like 2-3 a.m. my time. Look at this gold come off these highs here. 2-3 a.m. my time, but yeah, soon we'll be looking to sort something out more regular, man, for sure. Trying to get more Top Step traders involved in the European and Asian markets, crashing gold. Absolutely. I got faith in the old dog. Yeah, I got faith in the old dog as well, to be honest. It'll be hard to watch, but I have to watch it.
Faith. He has all my support.
Sorry, man?
I said faith. He has all my support.
Yeah, absolutely he does. Fucking hell. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it honestly is quite. I honestly look at the view up quite a lot sometimes. I'm like, what's this reacting off of well? So you haven't quite grabbed that double top, but you've just grabbed a lot of 15-minute highs. This is a lot of 15-minute highs. You've also just grabbed previous 30 highs. If we flip from here, I will consider shorts. Although you haven't fully grabbed this high, that's a pretty decent grab of a lot of previous 15-minute highs. Anyone who was already short here on gold, they've just been squeezed out. So although we haven't fully grabbed these highs, if we can look to, this is a pretty decent grab. If we all of a sudden get a very bearish close here with some good volume, I'm going to look for some sells here in a second. I want to see a, like I say, although you didn't come for here, I'm not going to miss a decent pullback just because you didn't grab that. You still have grabbed a lot of highs, and this would have stopped out a lot of people. Anyone who was selling here, whether their stop was here or here, a lot of people would have got squeezed out there. So let's see. I want to see a 5-minute close with some pretty decent volume. Maybe break here, and I'm going to look for a short. To me, this could be enough of a grab that I don't want to miss this pullback, and that was right off that VWAP as well, which is a good spot, man. Are you home or still traveling? I'm home now, man. I'm home. I am home. Look at this 15. Starting to flip bearish. 30-minute grab. Previous 30-minute highs also starting to flip bearish. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 equal lows. I really want to see this 5-minute close, though. We'll look to get short from somewhere around here. We'll risk off if you do get back above this level. I'm going to see if we can get this pullback. Let's see. As soon as we get this 5-minute close, guys, in 2 minutes, I'm going to look for a sell. I'll look for a sell here on gold. Yeah, Audi's flipping as well. Yeah, absolutely. That was a huge reaction off that VWAP. So now that we, this could potentially be a really nice grab. Really nice grab of the highs and a bearish close of the volume. If that's going to be a true liquidity grab, we want to see this next 5 minute top wick and drive and continue pushing. If it can't drive and continue pushing, we could continue to range. Therefore, we'll manage risk straight away. Don't just rip from here though, Goldie. Give us about 1 minute top wick of the next 5 and we'll look for a sell. And we want that next 5 minute to top wick and actually close with a good strong body to see if we can get this decent pullback. If the next 5 minute, which we enter on, closes doji or even closes a little bit bullish, I will look to exit and manage because we are still in this. So this is a true liquidity grab in volume. It has to continue through to the next 5 minute and then into the 15-minute close. Because you do still have, what do you still have? From here down into here, you got about 16 ticks into this low, where I wouldn't take profit there, but I would definitely manage risk. And if you can break this and keep pushing, I think you could squeeze out at least 30 in this trade pretty comfortably. Let's see, 40 seconds. This is what we want to see. If we close like this, guys, I won't be selling here. You're rejecting the highs, you're rejecting the lows. I said that the opposite round. Rejecting the highs, rejecting the lows. I said we're going to see a close with decent volume. Let's see. 30 seconds. This is why it's always good to wait for them closures. Don't get too emotional. Don't chase this. If you try to chase this, you go straight into drawdown. Don't get emotional. Don't get fear of missing out. Let's wait for the candle to close. See if we actually close with volume. And then we'll take the next trade. 16 seconds here. What's that? 5 ticks now. Not yet. Goldie's was reeling us in there with a little bit of volume. Trying to get us all excited, and it worked. We did get quite energetic there, didn't we? Thought we were going to get a big move. Nah, crap close. We're waiting. Rubbish close there, guys. Holding support, holding resistance, no volume. I'm not sure in this current vibe. We've got to wait. Closed with 6 ticks of volume. Maybe if the 15 can break out, I'll consider it. I'm not going to take this 15 flip here. Coming down for an instant bottom wick as well. Such a strong area. They're really, really, really building liquidity off their support though. I really want to see it smash with this support. Be good to us, Goldie. Come on. Give us a chance. Give us a chance today. Let me go flick on the aircon, guys. Give me 2 seconds. All right, what are we up to, Gold? What are we up to? Are we going to get this volume? See if we're going to get a strong 5-minute close here. A nice strong 5-minute close here would give us a nice 15 close, which would be great. I would short the next 15. So see if this 5 can give us a nice close. Yeah, it looks, to be honest, I just had a look outside. It looks crazy stormy here. Looks like it's about to have a crazy storm. No, I don't do cold weather, no. Snowstorm and I'm leaving. quite a lot of storms recently. It's been pretty crazy. What time is it? 7 a.m. 7:15 London time. Let's do a poll here on YouTube. Where does everyone think gold is going to go for this London session? Do you think we're going to have a bearish push down, or do we think we're going to have a bullish push up? You guys on the YouTube chat, let us know where we're going today. See where everyone thinks we're going. Nice. That's good, man. Yeah, good. Fingers crossed. What are we saying? 68% people bearish. Let's see. Get them votes in YouTube, fam. Let's see. On Top Step, we got about 54% people long, 46% people short. I think a lot of people are going to be trying to buy this support. Yeah, I think you do have CPI today as well. That's the thing. 34. As soon as we get to 40 votes, we'll end it. Let's see. All right, that'll do. What do we have? 68% people think gold's going to be bearish in the London session. 31% people think it's going to be bullish. Very, very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, I agree. Bearishness would be nice. Just a little pullback. Nothing crazy. 15-minute just closed there on gold. Again, you're throwing these huge wicks to the highs, but we're not driving. How many times do we need to hold resistance to have the push? How often do we see gold hold resistance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times and not push? I mean, it happens, but happened quite a lot here. I got a margin call now as well. Right on cue. Yeah, that'd be cool, man. Alright guys, give me 5 minutes. My brother's calling me. It was his birthday yesterday. Give me 5 minutes. Otherwise I'm gonna be in trouble. Back in 5. Won't be long, guys. Oh, it just hung up on me. Alright then. 2 minutes. All right, I'm back, guys. Sorry. I'm back. Apologies, guys. Apologies. Some water started. Ash, what's going on, man? Sorry, guys. I was just on the phone to my brother. It was his birthday yesterday. But yeah, I just came back to have a quick look at it. Yeah, it doesn't look like we've missed too much, but it does look like we are now coming back for these highs by the looks of it. Look at that. You're almost creating a triple top. Oh, sorry, guys. I had you muted. Almost creating like a triple top up here. But yeah, it doesn't look like we've been missed much. Ash, I'm banning him. How do I ban Ash? Yeah, Goldie's creating some pretty hefty ranges. Some very hefty ranges. Still not grabbing these highs. And now that you're creating a triple top, I'm like, okay, cool. Now I'm not going to short until them highs get grabbed. You know, I could consider a short after this grab of these 15-minute highs, but now that you're creating a triple top, that's even more liquidity. To short against that now is yeah, it kind of doesn't make sense. Like, still, anyone who's selling here on gold, stops are above these highs here, just above this resistance. So yeah, there's a lot of liquidity sitting above here. Like I say, if we can grab these highs and get short from around this region, we're going to get a really nice trade. Anything in between, you know, we just got to stay patient, which is fine. Gold short, 800 there, yeah. To be honest, I've had some great moves on gold this week, man. Gold's been, I think all markets have been beautiful this week. And so early on, you know, like I say, we had this huge move down on Monday, beautiful push down yesterday. Like, I've had some very, very nice pushes on gold so far this week. So I don't want to force a play for the sake of it. But I think once we do, if we do get out these liquidity levels, it's going to be a good trade. Yeah, I've had some phenomenal moves so far this week. Sammy's sitting here looking at me. Because I came out the office, he thinks it must be, I can't say the word, BEACH time. He's like, I thought you were done. Are we going or not? It just giving me sad eyes here. We'll go soon, buddy. We'll go soon. Wish you guys could see Sammy. He's giving me proper puppy eyes. Thought we were going to the beach. Oh. I know. 90k. I know, it's absolutely insane, man. It's absolutely insane. Absolutely madness. Look at that. Huge, 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 huge. Rejection, 50, all the way to 90. What's that? Almost an 80% return. Incredible. In this, but yeah, unfortunately, man. Unfortunately. Yeah, stacking up so hard. Yeah, me too, man. I just cashed out on my ADA trade, Cardano, which took about 60-ish% on this one.
Yeah.
Fully out of this bad boy. Got out of this area. Bloody beautiful push. Always take them profits on crypto. Doge. I had a brief look when the election was coming out. Is that it? Doge. Oh my Jesus Christ. I saw it was booming on the election. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's insane. That's absolutely insane. I saw Tesla was on some huge runs as well. Huge runs on Tesla. Nasdaq at all-time highs. Look at that. Crypto's going absolutely nuts. What's gold doing? Nothing. Mate, 10,000. Oh, that's disgusting, man. That's disgusting. Focus on Doge, yeah. Absolutely insane.
Everything in all these are not gold, though.
I know. Look at that. What kind of a percent return is that? What is that? Let's say it was 200% return. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. We've had gold reaching all-time highs this year as well. Gold this year has had the biggest run we've seen ever in the history of gold this year. Look at this. We can't complain. Gold's been very good to us. Look at this. Liquidity grab in January 2022. Grabbing the highs. Liquidity above. Nice little morning star there. Boom. Next year, come down, bottom wick, re-grab the highs. Planning next year's candle on gold. Here you go, guys. That's what next year's candle's going to look like. Gold to 3,000. Bottom wick, start of the year. Flip bullish. Take the flip on the yearly candle, and you'll probably have a pretty good trade. Yeah, and so silver. Yeah, silver. I was watching. We were watching silver back in here. He broke out of this range that you were in since July. Broke out of it, held it 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times. Had a beautiful push. I know Joe. He's holding a USD yen trade. I think he's holding some silver as well. Had a crazy push. Huge push. Look at that beauty of a push. What time is it? 7:30 London time. 7:30 London time. Come on, Goldie. Come grab these highs. Be good to us. Grab these hourly highs. Flip bearish. And pull back into these areas. Please, sir. Very undervalued. Yeah, that's what I was wondering if there is that correlation. Because silver's nowhere near. Nowhere near its peaks. What did it peak at? 50s. Fucking, that looks like a crypto chart. What was that? 1979. What the fuck happened to silver in 1979? Jesus. And then here again. 2011. Could we come for a big investment play? Maybe. I don't understand the whole fundamentals behind silver as much as gold. Yeah, it's a huge cup and handle. Yeah, it actually is. I was just thinking it as well. It's a very, very big one. It's a very, very big one. Worth getting Sammy a silver. Be changed for the gold. Precious metals for dog. Oh, a silver chain. Yeah, absolutely. I think he wants one. Let me see if I can show you him right now. Let me see if I can show you what he's up to. Am I going to break everything? Probably. Let's give it a try. Behind the scenes. Where is he? Oh, you can... He just looked at me. Yeah, we're talking about you, Sammy. He's chilling. Sammy's staring me out. Are we going for a walk or not? Not fully set up, man. I'm getting there slowly, man. Getting there slowly. Hey, buddy. Right there, buddy. Look. It's okay. Up. Look, up. How much do you risk on my funded accounts? Do you treat treat the account as the drawdown? Risk per trade, if trading on top step, obviously you want to have tighter risk, probably a little bit less than 1%. Because you don't want to break any drawdown rules. Ash, just YouTube and Zoom, man. Yeah, do it, man. Do it, Ash. Get an Asian or New York session going. I'll tune in for sure, man. Even get a London session going, man. I think you got a lot of value to share for sure. I'll help you set it up, man. What's the trading at? Yeah. Places getting there though. Places getting there, man. 1% of the original balance, man. Come on, Goldie. Being back in Asia in Jan will be good though, man. Whereabouts you going, Ash? Whereabouts in Asia, man? Been trading micros, 50 loss per trade. Yeah, it's good, man. Build it up slowly. Build up slowly, man. 80 tips 5. Oh, that's insane, man. I've seen your stories, man. You had some fucking crazy trades, which is insane. Holy shit. Yeah, you've been having some banger trades, man. It's awesome to see. Scale big time past 3 to 1. Good. Good, man. Take advantage when the markets are hot, which they absolutely are at the minute. Probably nice. Good, man. Trade any other prop apart from Top Step? Futures? Nah, Top Step only. This Barco's playing out on gold for sure. It's good. Gold is doing nothing today. I mean, it is CPI day, but I mean, CPI day didn't stop this, 100 plus tick run in Asia. I really want to see come up, grab these highs, and then see if we can get this decent pullback before then potentially having a steeper push later on. I do, yeah, like I said, overall today, I do think gold's going to have a more of a deeper pullback. But to come and retrace some of this Asia move and come and retest some of these big areas, yeah, it just makes the most sense. Nah, I don't really want to buy into it, to be honest. I'd rather look for the sells. Unless we grab these lows, I'd consider a buy into it. Where's Sammy? Sammy's... Where is everyone? Sammy's sitting under my chair trying to get some gold signals there, I think. Wait, let me turn this flash on.
Nice head and shoulders on the 5 minute and Nasdaq.
Oh.
Your fave.
1 minute. Did you say 1 minute time frame on Nasdaq?
No, 5. No.
Hey, buddy.
Too much. I'm getting too much.
Vids on tips and tricks on trade funded. I have a risk management video for funded accounts, man. So go to my channel and type in Top Step risk management. I've done a whole video on how to approach it. That's a nice head and shoulders, man. Yeah, it's a really nice push, actually. Really nice push. 100% going down. Is that financial advice? What's the day looking? Yeah, I was starting to top out, to be fair. Yeah, I was starting to top out. Doji. Maybe come fill in this week.
Take up the highs. And full ball trade or 4 ticks. You wouldn't have did a 10 on.
I absolutely would. I love free financial advice. 170 people tuning in. You guys on YouTube, let's get to 100 likes today. If we get to 100 likes, gold, we'll start to have the push. Look at this, grabbing the lows, closing bullish. This is the first sign of breakout we've seen all morning. If this 5 minute flips, you may see a little drive higher. I don't think it's going to be my trade though, personally, because I don't have any targets other than these highs right here. We're gonna rip these highs though. That was a 15-minute close as well. 15 minutes closing strong. If I had a reason to take this higher, I would consider a break of this high. This is just the only target I really have. I'm just drawing this up, guys. I don't have any orders in here. No orders in, sirs. I'm just seeing what this would potentially look like. You know, like, are we gonna come all the way back up into here? If we had grabbed these lows, I would be absolutely taking this in. 15-minute. Yeah, it's also the 15. Hourly. Come on, Goldie. I've been patient here. I'm trying to get a trade today. We had, what, 2 trades? We didn't trade them yesterday. I had 2 trades yesterday. Yeah, sorry, 2 trades on Monday. Yeah, you would, yeah.
2 trades?
2 trades on Monday, yeah.
No, I've been sleeping now.
2, I had 2 break-evens on Monday on stream. What do we have on Monday? We had... Where was Monday? Monday. We were trying to get the buys, the buys up into this liquidity level. Tried to give it 2 chances from around here. Got break even twice. Then eventually came down, grabbed the lows, and then saw the big push. And then massive sell-off. Massive sell-off.
She does that sometimes, eh?
Yeah, mate. It was like a after grabbing the highs. It was like a 500 tick sell-off, 650 tick sell-off. It was ridiculous.
Jesus.
One contract, $6,500 US. Absolutely ridiculous.
Anyone had in a trade, I think I would just jump in the van and just drive home.
Quit. I'm out. I'm done. Take the rest of the year off.
Yeah.
Have a good Christmas, everyone. See you next year.
Kind of back to January, please.
CPI will be bearish for US dollar. Yeah, it would make sense, man. I like over old gold to have a bit of a pullback, so it definitely would make sense. We've had a pretty aggressive push down on gold since last Thursday. So to kind of create a bit of a range and start to correct towards the end of the week, you know, like in here, and slowly kind of creep our way back up, would definitely make sense. Even back into 2650 looks nice. You know, 2600, it's a big support level on the weekly. You know, although this is looking very bearish now, this could easily start to find some support in the weekly. Could easily still close like back above this support. You know, it was a big rejection last week. Anything can happen here.
I bet you that cost a lot of people.
100%, man.
And all the swing traders.
Yeah, 100%. It was a huge resistance level. Big rejection of 2650 and then bam, straight back down. What was it? 330 tick rejection.
Also, 7 minutes for the London Open as well.
Yes, sir. I know, Goldie Code's dropping 1,000 pips. Fucking nuts. Does not care about our feelings, no. Not in the slightest. I've learned that the hard way a few times. How's only 70 likes for 180 people? I know, man, I know. I'm trying to get to 100. Everyone's wondering why gold's not moving. It's because we haven't hit 100 likes yet. Last Monday, we hit 100 likes and had a 50 tick trade. And we haven't hit 100 likes and gold's not moving. If we hit 100 likes, gold's going to come up, tap these highs, and then have a huge sell-off. Easy. Job done. I was there. Yeah, see, good. Good man. Who else was there last Monday? 50 tick trade on stream. Where was it? But look how much price has done the past week. Looks like we're going back. Where was it? Wasn't that far back, was it? Was it that far back? I don't remember. Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Yeah, it was. Wow. Yeah, look how much has happened over the past couple of days. It was in here somewhere. Where was it? It was here. Came up. Where was it? Came up, grabbed the highs, and we had these shorts from around here, I believe, all the way down into here for about 50 ticks. And that's only because we hit 100 likes. So if we hit 100 likes now, gold is going to easy do it. I got it? Yeah, good. Good. Hey, Brett, what's going on, man? Good to have you on, man. Wolf waves, cemetery waves. 25.85, that's good to know, man. Yep, 25.85. I think that's... Sorry, man?
Froze.
25.85. Yeah, that'd be nice. Yeah, now for some reason Zoom freezes when I go in between my two screens. 91, look at that, 91 likes, almost 100. Is DAX on top step? It's coming, I know that. I don't know if it is up yet. I don't think so. Let me have a look. Let me go to top step X. What's the futures ticker for DAX? What's the futures ticker for DAX? FDAX. Is that what it is? Oh. Eurex, FDAX. Let me have a look. I don't believe so, but I have heard a lot of people talking about it. No, not yet. Not yet, man. I do believe it is coming, though. I do believe it's coming. Expanding into some more European indexes. So, yeah. Hey, I don't make the rules, man. I don't make the rules. All right. No, it's because they only really started off as a New York scalping prop firm, and now they're kind of expanding a lot more into the European markets, which is good. No. They have a NK in there, but no, not many Europeans. Yep, Nicky's in there, man. Just like YouTube, good man. Well, yeah, 95. Yeah, Nicky, I've seen people, seen quite a lot of people trading that recently. It's come up a few times. Quite a few people said recently they've been starting trading, had some good trades. I've never ever. I'm in the delayed version. I can't even afford the paid version. What the hell's going on there? I can't afford the paid version. Or is it this one? I can afford this one though. Now who's laughing? Yeah, I have had some people said they've been having some pretty decent moves with it. Which, yeah, it does move. It does. I don't know if it moves in London or not. I know it has some pretty hefty moves in Asia. I've seen a few people trading it recently, which is cool. Something to consider. Come on, Goldie. We're at 95, 96. 5 more likes on my sell order. Yeah, 4 more, and we're about to put in a lot of sell orders on gold. 100 lots up here. 100 lots above these highs. 100 lots here, down into here. We're talking about a 4 grand trade. Easy. No, 40. Wait, 4 or 40? 40. This 15 is also about to flip bullish here. This 15 is about to flip bullish. I'm not taking this flip because I have 0 targets. This is also going to be coming up to the last 5 minutes of the hourly. We've been in this range since about 5 a.m. London time. 5 a.m. London time. Hey, buddy. We'll go soon, buddy. We'll go soon.
The only target is 4 pips, you know.
4 pips, 10 lots. You wouldn't.
About 4 grand.
No, 400.
400.
I mean, what, you telling your nose up at $400? Go on. $400 is $400. I reckon you could probably squeeze out about 700. Yeah, just do, yeah, to do it. If you do 100 lots, then yeah, then we're talking. Yeah, that's what Sammy did. Sammy wants to go to the beach. Yeah, he wants to go to the beach. It must all. Yeah, what I just think I don't know what the lot the possession size is like on the Nikki. So, is it quite a lot? Like, what is one contract a lot? I've honestly never traded it. Oh, Alad,
Yeah.
you said I'm in some serious drawdown here. I'm about minus $400 there.
Would be if you entered 100 rounds.
You told me to buy. Everyone else say Alad said buy for quick 4 ticks. I did.
I know a few people who do that as well. Blame others. I will manage. I'll just leave your account manage for you, in all honesty.
I think Alad said it. I think he's in something like this. Entry here, TP here.
Yeah. You know, and like when Blueberry ring you, you're about to lose your account. Just ignore the call. Just not no. You can't lose my account. I didn't answer the phone. So
I think that's how it works.
yeah. No, you didn't tell me. So
Yeah, he didn't tell me. He didn't tell me gold was going to go down.
you should have sent me an email. To the phone these days. How many people in YouTube are in that trade?
I hope none. I hope no one did actually take that trade. Gonna get this hourly close in 3 minutes here, guys. Hourly close in 3 minutes. No. Come on, Goldie. We got 100 likes as well. Look at that, and gold's still not moved. But I mean, it did start to move. It did start to move. It's like a dumb trade. You said it, not me. I didn't say anything. I didn't say it. Whoa, a huge bit of lightning.
And you're gonna go to the beach in the lightning?
Whoa. Yeah, I think Sammy needs to go down to the toilet. It's the only thing with living in an apartment, I have to take Sammy down to the toilet quite a lot. Which I don't mind, it gets me out, but when it's absolutely chucking it down, it's not ideal.
And you do it on your balcony and just
Yeah.
keep it open.
Well, there is this company that they ship you like a piece of grass, like a big piece of grass, like every 3 weeks, and it goes in a tray. But for some reason, he doesn't like to go in it. He feels like he's not allowed to go, so I'm just gonna get rid of it and just take him down. Sometimes like this where it's like pouring down, I don't really go outside. But in the morning it's quite nice actually, because usually I just let him go outside and go in the garden where we're out of our house. But now it's kind of nice because I do wake up early and take him straight to the beach. Yeah, someone's about to smash us. I'll try, Sean. Okay, hourly has just closed. Doji coming down for an instant bottom wick, and we are all of a sudden getting a decent spike in volume here. 104 likes. Still quite a lot of the Europe side, to be honest, Ash. A lot of that side. I think it's because they mainly focus on on London. So we've still got some highs ungrabbed here on gold. The hourly has closed bullish doji. Still haven't grabbed any lows. 30-minute on gold. Very little to no volume. We're coming down. We're instantly grabbing some lows. 15-minute. No top wick on the 15. Close bearish. Now coming back down for some lows. If this can flip bullish, we have the potential to come up and grab some highs. We have the lows down here. And we have the highs up here. We create a very, very big range. There's currently no top wick on this hour. No top wick on this hour. So let me just drop this ball at my feet. Oh, sorry, buddy. He just smacked his head. Yeah, it's always good just to stay patient in these ranges. You know, even this looks like a huge push down. You know, like, oh, cool. Let me chase it and let me jump in shorts. Well, look at the hourly. There's no top wick in this hourly. It's going to flip bullish at any point. It's coming up to... We're just getting that ATM candle here as well. We could get some ATM volume. What would this look like now? We put stops very tight here. Risking about 15. Take the flip. Manage at 12. And who knows? Could we pull all the way back up into here? Maybe. If we get a big flip, you could actually spike with some pretty good volume. But the big word is could. You have to manage quite aggressively. I know, buddy. We're going, I promise. Soon, buddy. Soon. Crazy thunder. We can't go to the beach in this. We can't go to the beach in this, buddy. I won't take this 5-minute flip, guys. Let's see how this 5 minutes is going to close, though. I would consider a scalp into the highs because you're grabbing some pretty decent lows. You have a crazy amount of liquidity up here. It wouldn't surprise me if you actually have quite an aggressive spike. This is a pretty strong rip down here. Yeah, stay inside. Yeah, he literally keeps dropping his ball on his lap. That's how desperate he is to go down. We'll give it another 5-10 minutes. We'll see what we get. If not, I'll take Sammy down, and then we'll start to watch some 30-minute closes. The thing with gold in these ranges, you know, especially on the 5-minute, it can teach you so much with some with like false hopes of volume. Like you grab lows, you close nice and bullish. Oh, cool. You know, we're gonna get a nice push up. You respect the double top, you push down and close bearish. You have a nice grab the lows, close nice and bullish. Oh, sweet, we're gonna go up. Straight back down, straight back up. So even if this does close bearish, you know, can you trust it to go short? Not really. Because if you tried to take that every single time today, you know, once you got these aggressive bearish closes, you get stopped out. Grab the lows, close nice and bullish, you try to go long, straight back down. Unless, you know, the only way to be fair, we could actually get a long setup. If we come down, grab these lows, close above, that would be pretty nice. You know, this is the short that I wanted down into these lows, but there's just no reason to take it just yet. This might be this is a pretty strong 5-minute closer. Look at this volume. This is the short we wanted, Goldie. 25 ticks in this current 5. If we don't grab these lows and we top wick on the next 5, I will look for a sell here to get this pullback into these levels. Break this support though. I need to see this support broken. Instant top wick, and I could look for a short here, guys. Just for a quick pullback. No big trade. There's no top wick in this hourly. It can be formed at any point, but just a quick pullback into these lows. If you top wick into like here, you know, you could have about 15, 20 ticks into these lows. So let's see. We're coming that close to these lows. There's a high chance we're going to rip these. This is the most volume we've seen all day. Top wick on this next 5. We'll look for a sell here. Let's see. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What would this look like? Let's see. Risk of the previous 5 high, no more than that, because if you re-break that, you're going to come higher. 10 ticks, nah, it's not worth it, guys. I'm not going to take this. It's not worth it. Even if you take the flip, you know, I do think this can pull back lower, but to have to manage risk at 8 ticks is like, it's not really worth it, unless you want to take it on like a combine or something. For me, it's not worth taking it on my personal. I'll be done for the day. Yeah, soon, man. Soon I'll be watching some 30-minute closes. But I mean, that's the first time we have seen signs of volume today. We could even consider a flip of this 5. Just be open to having to manage risk as soon as you grab these lows. And you're trying to get the pullback all the way back down to here. But this would have to be a management point, because you could grab these lows, hold the support, and then start to come for these highs. So if you do want this flip, it's not an invalid trade. You can take it. I wouldn't take it on any more than a combine. For me, I'm not going to take it on my personal. I want to hear. Oh, actually, Ash is going in the waiting room. Timeout time. Timeout time. Oh wow. Wait, what's this?
Where's this volume come from?
Is she pushing? Just trying to. I'm not in this, by the way, guys. It's not worth it for me. You can take it on her. Not in personally. Yeah, London Open volume, yeah, 8 AM London time. See if you can get the push. If you are in this on like a combine or something, you can manage risk around here. If you get back above here, you can manage risk around there. If you close back above this, it's pretty easy to manage a risk there. I am not in this, guys. I will be more comfortable taking that. I would be taking these sells all day if this got grabbed more. I'll be taking these sells all day. Yeah, you tell him, man. Yeah, Ash. Remember, you're trying to target much lower. As soon as you grab these lows, though, be open to managing risk. Let me run to the toilet, guys. 2 seconds.
Just don't trust him.
Nah, I'm the exact same, man. If I was in this, I'd be starting to get a bit worried if this 5-minute can't actually close bearish. I'd be open to probably just getting out, to be honest. Whoa, what the hell?
Normally I would say those laws have to be taken out, but
Yeah, I think they will. It's just like, how long is it? Like, you want to be in a trade for like half an hour just to try and squeeze out like 20 ticks. Like, it's very tough. She's coming for the lows. Oh, there you go. You just grab the lows. So if you are in this, manage your risk. It's not worth taking profit here, but it's absolutely a level where you have to manage risk. If you can keep selling off, fantastic. but be open to managing risk here. What are you hitting here? About 11 ticks. Did anyone take it? Anyone scalp it?
Yep.
Cool, man. Good man. In on a combine, yeah, nice.
What's wrong?
Sell from the top was the ideal move. Nah, not. You never want to sell triple top on gold. If you sell triple top on gold, you'll get squeezed out 90% of the time, if not higher. If we had, if we'd come up and actually liquidated these highs, then I would absolutely be selling this. But the fact that you still haven't grabbed these highs at any point, this could start to pull back and rip them highs pretty aggressively.
Yeah.
Not on a good enough target for me. Yep, fair enough, man. Good job sticking to your plan, man. It's good. It's what we like to hear.
I don't like the target.
Sorry, man.
I said I don't know. I like the target.
It was just quite a tight range.
Just like on their own, just.
Look at this owlie. Look at the fucking no top wick on this owlie. It's crazy. It's also a reason I wasn't comfortable short on personal. Closed at 20 ticks on a vowels. Good work, man. Good work. Got plenty of videos on my channel, man, explaining my entries. Any trades we take on stream, I always break them down into recaps. There's plenty on the channel, man. Plenty.
You seem good.
Nah. Nah. Yeah, long as later on, if we get back above here later, only once we get back above here later, could be a worthwhile trade for sure.
So this 5 and 15 could just easily close it back above that there.
100%, man. Yeah, 100%. This owlie could flip bullish at any point. We're starting to come into this pretty decent level here. Coming into this big area around here. Oh, sorry, nowhere near it. Where are we coming into? Here. Yeah, big area. I think we squeeze down a little bit more though. But yeah, the fact there's no top wick of this out yet, this could flip bullish at any point. Yeah, if it can flip and hold, yeah, 100%, man. Still holding, yeah, nice. What did you squeeze out? Squeeze out about 18, yeah. This level is a pretty decent target. If you guys are doing this, I would be holding it down into here. See how this 15 is going to close, especially if you get this breakout. You do have to accept the 15 could easily top wick into here before pushing down. Pushing lower here now on gold. If this target was big enough, I would have been more inclined to take it. Big push there now. Big push there on Goldie. Look at that big push. Big push. Hitting around about 25-ish ticks. Are you going to come straight into that level? If you guys are in this would be a pretty decent level to be open to taking quite a decent amount off the table. This is a very strong level here now on gold. Very strong level. Ended up being a pretty nice push. If you guys take that on a combine, it's a pretty good trade. Yeah, nice work, Shane. Out for 28 ticks. Yeah, nice, man. Good job, man. Get a decent push there now. Big push. W 20 ticks. Nice. Closed. Yeah, nice. Good job, man. Good hold, man. Good hold. Having the patience and wait. That's it, man. Waiting for the patience, waiting for the volume, waiting for the breakouts. And there's your 30 ticks. I'm coming, Sammy. I'm coming, buddy. Sammy's not happy.
it's gone and tapped the level that's higher than you had previously.
Yeah, it was that's it. I mean, that's the thing. That's what I was kind of wanting. Pretty much what we spoke about since we started the stream, to come back down and retest this big level of resistance. It's a shame it just took so long. Otherwise, I would have taken it on a personal. But now that you're back at this level, yeah, if you start getting back above here, you know, you could easily see a pretty decent push higher. Look at that. You're instantly reacting off this level as well. If you guys did secure around this level for about 30 ticks, is a very, very, very nice level. Very nice level. That's a pretty solid reaction off that level. Perfect live stream. Thank you, man. In long now, yeah, it's a good level. It's a smart level to. Oh, sorry, man. I missed your drawings on screen. Go on, stick it back on. You get it back on there, man.
Even if you go long, it's just you have to wait through all the pain around there again.
Yeah. That's very true. If you do get back above here, yeah, you got to be careful in there again. That's very true. Look at that. What a reaction off that level.
Yeah.
What a reaction. If you guys did exit at that level, well done. Up 3 hours, nice. Good man.
Alright, man. Love you, leave you.
Yep, all good, man. All good. Talk to you soon, man.
Okay. Yeah. Have a good one. See you guys.
Take it easy, man.
Stay safe. Bye.
See you, man. Bye-bye. Look at that. What a push. That's why I said that you know, the shorts wouldn't be... Look at that. The shorts wouldn't be lived very long. You came down, you grabbed all the liquidity, you tapped at this big level of resistance. What a reaction off that level. Should have just sniped along. Came down, re-grabbed the lows, held them, is pushing back higher. But it's very true what Alan says. You know, it's very easy to get chopped up in here again. That was a decent reaction, a perfect exit off that level as well. You guys who took that in your combine, well done. What a rip. Holy shit. Let's see this close. Glad I got out. Yeah, good job. Yeah, if you guys got at that level, well done. It's literally the perfect exit. If you didn't get out that level, you know, you hit 30 ticks to then be back at break even. That's a lot of risk to leave on the table. 106 likes. Well, that's what I'm saying. We hit over 100. We all of a sudden start to get this big volume on gold again. There's a pretty decent push there. Always, man, don't take it straight on personal. I'm like, fuck, I should have taken that personal. And look at this hourly. There's still no top wick on this hourly. This hourly could easily, all of a sudden, flip bullish and have a drive. Look at that 4 hour. Like we said at the start of the stream, to come down and grab these 4 hour lows before pushing higher. I mean, it took a long time to get in, but, you know, it did eventually happen, which is fine. Sometimes you can call them nice moves, but you're not going to be able to execute them perfectly every single time. That's part of trading. If you get a decent close here, you do still have about 17 ticks into these highs. Stops are going to be very large though. Very, very large. Fate. Fate. Yeah, decent closure above. Yeah, it's absolutely. You got to be careful though, you know, given the fact that we did create so much range in this, if we do close back above here, you have to accept that, you know, it's possibility to, it will take some time to grab these highs. But for me now, close above here, next stop is, yeah, these highs. That looks pretty easy. Let's see this close though, 10 seconds. I mean, if you've got these shorts down here as well, take the next hour or so off. We're getting some pretty aggressive price action. It's an aggressive close there on gold. A very, very aggressive close. That's until 51% people long, 49% people short. I'm not going to flip these buys just yet here on gold. Not yet. Not yet tonight. especially with this steep wick of this level. You know, you haven't really closed back above yet. So I'm not really too eager to want to jump back in buy straight away. I think if you do want the longs, to be honest, I'd probably wait for the 30-minute to get back above this level. I'd want to see that 30-minute close. See if you can hold above. Remember, there's no top wick in this Audi. Could still flip. I'll call it here soon, guys. I'll take Sammy down and probably monitor off some 30 closes. To be honest, even if we do push into these, that's not really my trade. I'm not too interested in that. You know, you could scalp it for a little bit if you really want to. I'm not really that interested in trying to squeeze out 25 ticks with the possibility of getting chopped in here for quite some time. I think there'll be easier trades than that today. Remember, we do also have CPI today. You got CPI today here as well. There's plenty of time. Even if you guys didn't take the sells, don't worry. There's plenty of opportunities. I haven't taken a single trade here on my personal yet. Only on Top Step. Only on a combine. We'll see this. I'll watch this 30 close with you guys. Then we'll see. I'm gonna go take Sammy down, and then we'll come back on and see what else we got. Monitor 30 now. So even if you look at this alley, like, we still haven't done anything yet. We zoom out for a second. We're still creating one big range. But I do actually like, you know, I think a lot of people will be seeing this typical market structure and be trying to take sells here, looking for a new leg down. But that's not really how gold moves. If gold's going to have a move down, it's, you know, very likely to come up and grab these highs and then have the push. So to bounce up higher makes sense. I kind of like this as a liquidity level now. Especially if you can, like, you know, come close to these highs, create this resistance and sell off, then, you know, then you'll get a great push on CPI. A great push. But you do also have the kind of same to the lows. Thanks for stream, bro. I'm out till CPI. Yeah, no worries, man. Enjoy. Appreciate you shooting in, man. Good job on getting the shorts if you got it. I'm just going to hang around another 7 minutes till we get this 30-minute close. Long Euro USD. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Wrong one. Yeah, pretty decent support as well. Pretty decent rejections. Yeah, some big levels coming down, grabbing the lows. You close back above. Yeah, you could have a decent retracement back up into these areas. I think that's nice. Especially now that you come down, re-grab the lows if you hold the support. Yeah, pretty nice level. Pretty nice level, man. Come on, buddy. Sammy's giving me the biggest puppy eyes ever. What are we up to, Goldie? What's copper up to? Has copper had much of a move? Haven't really had a look at copper too much today. Oh, look at copper. Copper not looking very good since we came down, grabbed these lows. Coming in some pretty big levels as well. Copper creating some pretty aggressive ranges, so we haven't really haven't missed too much on copper today. Gold looked like it had the nicer move so far. Let's see, guys. We've got about 3 minutes till we're gonna get to 30 close. Let's see, is this one big, huge liquidity grab to flip up and have a big drive higher, or are we gonna come down and re-grab the lows? Who knows? Let's see. Let's see the close. See the close. Remember, this is also the hourly has no top wick, at all. Which, how far away is that? That's about 16 ticks away. Yeah, so it's a pretty tight range. I remember trading these ranges last week, and these were like 50 to 60 plus ticks. It's not that big of a range today. From here to here, it's only 26 ticks, which is not bad. But you want to get chopped up for potentially like 2-3 hours to squeeze out 26 ticks. Not really. When you get good volume, like you've seen here, you get your 20-30 ticks pretty easy. You also just need that volume. This will be a good high that if you can re-break this high, then that's when you can have a good spike. Manage here, but see if you can squeeze a little bit higher. Only if you can get a stop with the risk rule would make sense. Two minutes here. Nothing's really going to happen here, guys. So you guys on Zoom in. If you do close above, I'm not going to be trading the next 30. So I'm going to go take Sammy down. I'm probably going to wait for this hourly close, to be honest. Wait for this hourly close. If you guys did get that little scalp short on a combine or something, well done. I haven't taken a personal trade yet today. But yeah, you guys on Zoom, I won't keep you guys any longer. I'm going to watch this hourly close, let this next half an hour play out, and see if we get something a little bit cleaner and see if we can actually break back above some decent levels. So you guys on Zoom, I'll update you guys in Discord in about half an hour at that next, what time is it? At the next 9 AM London close. So don't force it. We've got plenty of time today. We also got CPI, and I'll talk to you guys in Discord. Have an awesome day. Thank you, man. You too. Cheers, guys. Appreciate you tuning in. Have a good day, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. All right, YouTube fam. I'm going to wrap up there. I'm going to go take Sammy down because he is... Wait. Look. He needs to go down and gold's creating some bit of range. If you guys did get that little short today, well done. I only took it on a combine. Very, very big news. But I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. If you're new here, remember, drop a little like, subscribe. I'll be live again, same time again tomorrow. And I hope to see you guys there. Trade safe, don't force it. And I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Trade safe. Peace. Whoa, what the heck? How did that just happen? Did anyone else just see them balloons on the screen, or did I just make that up? What the hell was that? Who the hell did that? How did that happen? Is that because I said peace? Nah, that was crazy. I've never seen that before in my whole entire life. I'll see you guys next time. Peace again. No balloons this time, apparently. Cheers, guys.